should have saw that coming. That guy was up on him, so I kind of figured that was going to happen. What if that bobtail was going to do it? I cannot believe that. Good Lord.
Still not over.
Yeah, we got over a lot.
It must be passing again.
Oh Lord. Well, that was good. We got out here in time to watch that. I knew he was getting up on him. I knew he wasn't going to honk first of all, and then merged right over right in front of us. I didn't notice this truck. I was looking at the white one down there. I wasn't seeing this guy. Oh, shoot. Wonder what this guy's going. We're going to see truck coming down there, and then we got this guy, but I don't know if he's going to wait for that truck or not. Wait, what's going on? That car's letting him do something. Well, we're going to worry about this one. Alright, and then we'll check him out. We'll see what this guy's going. There's something else down there, but
Yeah.
let's see here.
No.
Oh. Okay. Lucky us, right? Here we go. There's a truck back there coming. More bodies down here coming towards us. 2 of them, 3 of them, somewhat. I still can't get over how these trucks can do passing like that.
Oh.
And there's our older buddy. What are you doing? The guy went against that truck. Oh, there's cars in front of it though. This ain't gonna work. Really? I hate when this happens, I do. This brakes. That's a pretty orange truck there. Oh, it's him again. Holy cow, it's him again. Nice. Oh. There's a truck down there as well. Ooh, check this out. Oh, 2 of them. We're not going to do another pass and move, are we? That's what we need right there. Perfect. Yeah. And I got more trucks down there coming. I know. I didn't say room. Come some more. See how many we get today. Probably gonna be more down there. Amazon Prime. There's another one down there. See another one. So we got this white one, and then I'm noticing another white one down there a little ways behind it. Oh look! I know, and I've gotten him in a few videos. Nice. All right. Don't pause. I see more trucks coming. So that was another one way down there too, behind it. See if this guy's going right now, so we're gonna watch him for a little bit. I'm gonna keep an eye out for this truck. He's gonna do that with that truck, and I'm just gonna. 3 of them. Oh no, that is 2. No? Oh, no. No, it is 3. Look at that. Oh, yep. Here comes another one. Oh, is he gonna? Oh, this is gonna be a tight one. That one down there as well. This is perfect. Oh, and we got a couple more. See a white one down there? Yep. We got those, then we got a white one down there. Ways out. Comes another line of them right now. Next Gen Kenworth, let's go! We got a lot of these finally. I've been looking for the next gen forever, but I can't find them anywhere. We got another one down there. We got all these trucks coming too. Oh wait, are you? Okay. That truck slowed down for a minute. I'm like, please no. This guy coming too.